Hi there, Peter Vox here, Director and Principal Teacher of Vox Singing Academy. Welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. We have the ultimate online singing course, online singing lessons all around the world, and also in-studio singing lessons at our 6 Melbourne studios in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. Without any further ado, we're going to get stuck into the next question, and it is the ultimate online singing course designed for both males and females? Yes, the ultimate online singing course is designed for both males and females, adults and children, beginners to professional. So it's designed for everyone and every voice and every genre of contemporary singing, not classical singing. These are contemporary lessons. So every genre. So we do everything from jazz, blues, pop, rock, R&B, theatre, hard rock, screaming. For every genre, there are specific scales and exercises through these courses for every single genre. They are designed for both males and females, adults and children. All of the scales demonstrations on the videos will have myself being the male example and another female teacher giving examples. So there are both males and female examples on every single scale. Also, I'll be starting down very low in the bass and going up to the tenor range, and the female teachers will be coming in at the contralto range and finishing at the very high soprano range. So giving examples in all ranges through the whole course. So that is a key advantage of the ultimate online singing course. I hope that this answers your question. If you have any questions, please, or comments, please put them in the comments below and I'll get back to as many of them as I possibly can. Again, if Vox Singing Academy can help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Please check out the links below for more info. Please be good to each other. Enjoy your singing. Peace and outs.